Hello everyone, welcome to the next sharing video on Jin Dui Kwong's YouTube channel. If you're watching this video and haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support Jin Dui Kwong's channel. In today's video, I will share with you how to convert a schematic from Gerber software to OrCAD software. Here is the schematic in Gerber software. If you want to convert it to OrCAD, you will do the following. You will click on the plot button. At this point, a window called Marker Plot will appear. You will choose the path to the drive you want to save to. Here, I'm using the example of converting to drive E. And now, I will click on Process. And now I will open the schematic in OrCAD software. I will open this new page. Do not save this schematic. And I will go to File. I will click on Import from CAD/CAM file. Here, I will select the HPGL file. And I click on Browse. At this point, I'm going to select drive E to choose the PLT file. After that, I will click on Open. Now I will click on the OK button. As you can clearly see right here, the schematic from the Gerber software has been transferred to OrCAD software in a very smooth and easy manner. And here you can completely reroute the schematic automatically. You can automatically and effortlessly rewrite the entire schematic. And if you are interested in taking the OrCAD software course, you can go to the Google search engine and type in the keyword online.pds. At this point, you will be directed to the PDS Vision Academy website where you can click on the courses section. Here are the various courses available for you. You can check out courses on the OrCAD design software, Gerber file software, or cloud-based 3D software. In all of these courses, you can scroll down to see all the available courses. And if you need further consultation, you can message me on Zalo at this phone number. I will advise you so you can enroll in the course you want. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.